robotic arm.
Is
it visible? Yeah, mimic it.
They like to out of time.
So, and for higher grades, it can have a lot more challenging things. So actually, if you look at it, you must know that there are a lot of STEM concepts which are coming into this. So
Students will be invested.
yeah. Probably what I'll do is I'll show you some stories.
I think these kind of stuff they do it here.
Yeah.
All they do it. What I say? They make this kind of robots and all this.
This we have done already.
Yeah.
Right. So
I don't want to make. I want
We've used Arduino.
you want to
not something they do in school.
right, but something additional. So probably a robotic arm could be one aspect. We'll show you some stories which are already there. So like these are the kind of stories students can actually build and then put into the board, put some actions to it. Can we play the talking song?
Bright sunny morning, I decided to go for a walk. But on my way, I was stopped by this green little talking frog. Hi, he said, and I looked at him with my wide blue eyes. How can a frog talk? I was amazed at this sight. Who are you? I asked the frog. He hopped and whispered his name in my ear. Oh yes, he talks. His name I could really hear. You can't be real. I don't. He said, I know it is dark. Tightly and said, can you feel my touch? Bring your nose near me and tell me my smell. Oh no. Don't faint. It is not a magic spell. Here, take some juice. It will keep you strong. Enjoy the sweet drops on your tongue. Nothing is wrong.
So if you really look at a project like this, there's a lot of language involved first of all. So they go through the writing process and come towards a final piece that they want to put on the board. And to the stage where they're doing a lot of mathematics and science to really get the actions sorted and putting it onto the board. So they're learning a lot through that process. So that is there. Can we show you the dance moves probably? Can you put it straight?
Can you show me some actions which student has written something?
In the sense where a child may have
has-
written and it has gone
Yeah,
inside.
yeah.
That is not.
Do you have any?
We don't have it at the moment.
What kind of things do they do? I mean, what kind of?
In the sense.
If students have done something, like say it's done, that's what they do maximum.
So no, actually, it's like when you are taking a project like creating your story. So the first step is that they are writing a story. Then in groups they are using an app, an interface, to really putting actions to each and every say sentence. So this sentence, okay, this is what the action I want for this particular thing. So for example, if you notice, there was something called strong, wherein the bot did this. So it's like using cue from that, they are putting those actions into the bot. So there's an interface which we've designed, which is a Serena interface, which we use for these things.
I've done this with any other schools?
Not really. So we're launching this year. We have piloted it with a few schools, and schools will be beginning with us from June. As you know, work starts from June. So we have schools tied up with us, and they'll be beginning with us from June. So,
Looks good. We'll do it for our after school program.
okay.
We'll sit and design how, in what grades, what we can design.
Right.
And the
Right.
activities
Projects.
all have to
So
be,
roughly,
projects and
what
activities.
is the number of students? Like,
I can't assure you the number,
but just roughly
20,
10 tentatively.
20, 30,
20, 30
I
students.
think
Okay.
for this, I think most students are gonna opt. We'll do
Okay.
one demo for them to show
Right,
what
right,
they're going to learn.
right.
So more of the students get excited and they should
Okay.
register.
Okay. All
Let's
right.
see how it goes. We're planning for the next academic year. This
Right.
June we're closing.
Yeah,
Now
we're closing.
Yeah.
So
So you all also start, I think, from August. You follow the IB cycle,
July.
basically.
July. We're starting the month early, July.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Right.
So if you could.
I want to see one thing. If any student has written a story on this and how it acts on the student.
Or maybe we can make.
Right
an own
now it's not
activity.
there, but yeah, like probably if you want, we can
Yeah.
maybe come for the demo, show it with your students.
Yes. When we're doing a demo, we want that.
Yeah.
So if you can show an activity like as you said, storyboarding and then accordingly enacting using the robot. So if that entire
Right.
activity can be showcased, it will be easy
Right,
to connect with
right. So see, the reason why actually inquiry lab activities are a little tricky to do is because we set up the entire lab, and so we need to have those PCs with the app installed and stuff like that. So I'll figure out, I think, with the engineering team what is the best that we can give as a demo, and we can figure, like, we can take it forward from there.
And also let us know if a student wants to learn in and out of this robot and write a story about how many days would it take. How
because we
long
also
would it
need a
take.
duration.
Yeah.
Like in the sense, I
So
didn't
the
understand the
duration
question. I'm
of
sorry.
the after school program, how long it should be like 1 month or a 10-day program.
Okay,
Should
so
work for 2
actually, to be very honest with you, we put it like it's used as a robotic program in most of the schools, and we are offering it like that. The after school program is something that we are exploring with a few schools. So there are some schools which are saying that they want it for the summer holidays or something like that, but there are also schools which are doing it on a regular basis. So it depends largely on the flexibility of the school. I can cut down the projects, or I can say that okay, but if you really look at 20 projects, we'll need it year through, like at least 2 classes for an hour each. To be able to do those 20 projects with students. But if you tell me, okay, this is not the time that suits us, and we want, like, say for 3 months or 4 months or whatever, or on a row we need say 10 classes or 20 classes, then the projects, like, we can decide on the number of projects, and you can say, okay, vehicle is not something we want because we are doing that, but this is something we may want our students to explore. So we can do that. Then.
So we'll select the project assignment.
Yeah, if you can give us a.
Would you want me to send you the document?
can.
I'll
Yeah.
do that right away,
That
and you can
also
just look
discuss
at that.
with
and-
teachers of the classes to what could suit their.
So 1 month duration should be good, right?
I think that should be good if we have, like, everyday classes and stuff.
Grade 4 and above?
4 and up to maybe till 10?
10.
Is that right? So it's going to be a mixed group of students, right?
Depends on projects again. So how you guys, depends on your.
So when you say after school, do you do it grade wise? Do you send students grade wise, or there is flexible grouping that happens?
Usually there's a last time they most
We
of the
did
office.
mobile app development. I mean, they created an app.
Okay.
It was 15 classes, 15 hours.
Okay.
Every day after school, 4 to 5. So it was, we did a junior batch and a senior batch.
Right.